Sound rolling.
It's been going.
Episode 15.
Episode 21. Take 2.
Get ready. Episode 21. Episode 21, take 2.
It's 21.
Apparently.
Take two.
He said take 2.
Why is it take two?
I don't know.
Careless mistake.
Ooh. Otherwise, brother, tweet. How are you?
Should have given me that. Testing one.
Test. Kuleke on. Namhla sishanga no headset, ecama uzoyikinki no phethe ngama headset.
Shamash, kafan.
Awukwazi?
Yeah, nishamash.
Ubani? Wena.
Ubani? Awukwazi uzongishaya kahle.
Wena futhi.
Never.
Yakhohlwa ukuthi lesonto lapha egarage. Sikulalele.
Garage FM.
Garage FM.
Yeah.
Ufundiswe yini?
Wangenza something la.
Yeah, Garage FM type of shit.
Garage. Like une equipment yonke dog, une
CDJ,
CDJ,
sound.
ne sound, everything.
Thina soletha ama camera shama seshi.
Yeah.
I don't mind that. We can do that.
Yeah. Nizwile.
But tamkhulumele phezulu, I don't think this thing yakubamba. Yabona ispike kanjani kimi? Uzona amakhulu.
Hello. What if I go on?
Ukhulumela phansi uSwiz.
Dog.
What if I go on?
Awuzama ngiphamise volume.
Iphelele la. uSwiz ukhulumela phansi. Oh.
Hello.
Ukhulumela phansi uSwiz.
No.
Hello.
Yabamba.
Hello. Manje bathi ngenzeni ngirasi.
Kumele urase.
Ngiyengiyela.
I don't know why I allowed to win.
La, Omarapi, you can continue. Yeah,
let's
again,
continue.
man.
Oh,
Shima uzozwa kanjani?
mina.
Sengisa amaphutha.
Yeah. So, sound.
Silungisa sound, guys.
In fact, like, bekumele sizilungise today.
Yeah.
Sine announcement, ne? Should we announce?
Go
Should we announce?
Go ahead.
PR, should we announce? But then, guys, asana now, you shoot.
Masitoshile babe.
Especially mastana mara.
Especially.
Mara nakhona, it's a thing ukuthi like, just because
Where to move,
we
man?
don't want to shoot there anymore because of like certain aspects and factors.
Abasafuna ukuthi
sishoot.
and then we have an event la we are booked ezopopa nespinach mara kuyafana sithi siyashoota yo
Igama la Papa Spinash isuka phela.
hayi ngivele ngabona ukuthi uzovela buza into
Isuka
Ngiyabuza.
yazi kwenzakaleni ne vele ngicabanga engqokile mara what if masidlala sithu nontwana sivele sisibize ngokupha nespinach anyway ngithi u Philip boy qala ngophika mana akhe star
Ngathi ngiphila i-staff or something.
stuff.
I-staff.
Yachaza. Mina yazi bebethini. Ngithi ukupayi ne abuspin. Get it?
oh yeah it's been a very quick
You understand? Marai, so
yeah
Yes, people very open spinach.
Ngimshilo ngathi wena udla yena. That's why ngisho Papa.
High power up.
baba
I want power up. Siyabuva makhona. I want.
Sahlala endaweni oh anyway guys Ghost Lady is here xa Ghost Lady ubani
Oh, konje.
voice note mic yakhe ayikho
Imic yakhe iseleno Angelica.
iselelo Angelica
Hey, Angelica as well.
Angelica episode wakhe wafuna ukungena there's always a challenge lokumele abe khona
Inkinga zale podcast nisibani.
anyway Nkosinyana my brother
Yeah, ngivele ngakhumbula. Mara wena Tuesdays, tell us you hosting this thing on Tuesdays.
Oh, yeah,
It's
game
really
night Tuesdays,
interesting.
yeah.
I was sharing before we get into this.
Yeah. So the whole idea is, so there's a games that I attended so they do it opposite meet in is it in Orlando, no? Do you know meet? Meet, yeah,
Orlando.
so Olan
It's Orlando, right? Yeah. So I attended one. It was on Tuesday. Initially, we were Wednesday.
yeah
And then complications at the venue, and then we decided on Tuesday. So I'm bring a new vibe to Israel.
Why Tuesdays?
I was about to ask.
So like, why Tuesdays?
Tuesdays are not busy, man, and there's a lot of competition. I mean, you host events, you know, with Timo's ends on a Saturday.
Yeah.
you
Game
know.
night on a Saturday is not the game.
Yeah, you have to
Yes,
fight
it is.
with a lot of people.
Asian dog.
Yeah, but the whole idea is you come in to
After
chill. The World Cup is coming up. You're gonna come watch this ski, you know, everything.
What's your
Now I'm gonna
relationship with
introduce-
Senka Are you like some sort of shareholder?
I don't know.
What?
Maybe I'm the owner.
Maybe you're the owner. We don't know. What's the ideal? They ask me a big
Nah, man, Tim's is my friend. I met him at an event, so while I was still DJing.
So this is my now shots are happy man.
Yeah, we met through an event. Yeah, was he hosted an event because now what's that event? Begayenza now. Yeah, there's that event Begayenza.
No strings attached.
Yeah, I met him there. Yeah.
NSA.
Yeah, NSA. That's how we met. And then yeah, I've been supporting the Blue since then. Yeah.
He's not a
So
new lady.
supporting him in terms of what now you have like a hand in Senka Spad.
No, if I have an idea, I'll pitch it to him, and then if he rides with it, he rides with it. Yeah, so I don't really have a stake in the Sonkas bag. I'm just me.
I mean, I need to tell us later what about
Hey,
big.
guys. Man, let's in squad, yes.
As a good podcast.
I've never seen Unjuta Abaza Abagas Bamzan. I didn't think he's.
Is he from the
But
East
then we
Yeah.
know him. You have to think he's an squad. I like Killis and Alega. Same way too.
Sempre. Ngentanga. Pierre manager. Stop ukuthi usitholele squad. Awusitholele squad mfethu. Nama question for
Futhi kwamele futhi ikhiphe vele sitshengise lapha post lapha squad amunzi.
Yeah.
Now umuntu
Now uthi moni mfethu. Usitholele squad mfethu. Usitholele squad. Khona ama question engifuna ukumbuza wona.
Njani?
Hayi. Ngizawenza le day yakhona.
Wena since uvizaza yakinspire ni.
Yabona.
New episode?
Oh, keep the machine.
Angeke. Ngifuna ukubaprove wrong namhlanje. Ngingaqoka le whole episode.
Awukwatile ngiyakwazi. Kwatisile indaba namhlanje.
Noma stand loyi.
Ecaba ukuthi indoda yini into.
Uqalile. Uqalile.
Ecaba ukuthi yini iphiza ngeshanga. Ngesonga ekushaya so.
Yeah. Esiqedini. Nyama broth or something.
Unkosho.
Let me. Shitombolwana.
Yebo.
Shanyamanya. Mina lo nyamanyama lo.
It's pizza in
Like,
Tsonga.
Ngapha
Shitombolwana.
shanyamanya.
Yeah.
Konje ikunama yibheka. Awuyazi?
Ayikho into enjalo.
Kuna.
Igugulu ukuthi ibheka ngisibheka. We spoke about
We spoke about this episode 12.
some episode
One.
back. Yeah. Ngiyatshela no facts.
Nah, bro.
Awu kanjani dog?
I wonder yini ibheka ngeSonga. If pizza
Shitombolwana.
Shitombolwana. Yini ibheka.
Phela what I think
Shakufaka nama. Uzoshout ishas mara ngayibona le episode. Uzoshaya.
Mara hey man, after that konje we going to the art.
Yeah,
So
to
the
the
event
art.
the event there.
Color Black.
Color black.
Color Black is actually the name of the host.
Oh yeah, we have a
So,
Matex.
Yeah. Now everybody your food. Color Black artwork.
Ibu up.
Yeah. Oh, uthi ungena mahala.
Ngiyangibona ishame.
Ithenge dog.
Afake ilenda kuphela kahle lamatheko. Inkinga yimi.
Pupumpu.
And then you say he's the only fat guy in the squad. Mele kube nomuntu. Vele kona squad. Phela khona lo studio.
Yeah, lo balima.
Ngiyazihela. Mali kudla.
So ngijeli ukuthi ngathembi imali.
Yeah.
Ngikwazi ukuyibala.
Oh.
Imali.
We.
Angidli imali.
What's going on, dog? I saw Youngstana posted something about the videographer yake. Donna, Shapa Snap. Did you see that? He's having What's that all about, dog?
You understand?
Yeah, you understand.
Understand? Yini nice lapha ama-drugs. Yini manje inkinga naye ne-videographer yakhe imenzeni?
No,
He's looking for a video.
he's looking for a
I'll
videographer,
apply,
but
Did you apply?
Yeah, I mean, I think I'm shying in DM.
Shaka
Oh, yes, she.
Tell him.
Sikbheki.
Sesmelele.
But
Sikbheki.
utufakile.
I did DM. Yeah,
Manje
just supposed
uzo-edithelwa bani?
But just editor.
Ngihlupha.
Mara, silent.
Oh, it might be important. Hayi, islanda.
Akelwa.
Yazi ufunani? Uthi athi ngakhuluma ngayo.
Ungachinji.
Uthi ufuna ukuza lapha la yabo. Maye ngithi kuyemela thengitheke. 20 rand like.
Uyakhala.
Hey.
Wena wangamthengeli.
Mara ngahlule 20 rand.
20
Wena
rand.
waphila
Yeah,
20
wena
rand.
njengatheka wangamthengeli.
Yima thathi.
Yeah.
Oh, now
Awu.
now uthi
Akusikelwaki.
yo.
Ngiyayala.
Wena bothi nawe yini?
Ukuthi uyavuma ukuthi ukelo wami.
Hayi.
Yenzani manje angitshoni mina madoda.
Unajoli stuff.
Serious.
Mara niyatalka, niko talking stage, niyakuka,
Nobody.
stuff going on.
Yazi, mawukhuluma lapha sikuzwa thi. Yeah, you need a mic.
Esha.
Eish.
Yena sishiya lapho ku-Angelica skis.
Hayi yazi into esicabanganga ne. And abaka
Ngishilo ukuthi asithathi but then what if masibuyela sibaqalile you know.
Yeah, but man, I get the context they understand, Joe. Like,
Yeah,
they
context
didn't leave
they
things.
understand.
They didn't leave things like on their
Oh,
page. or
on that
something
note,
like
let's
that.
start in part. Before so yeah, digress. Black coffee no 643. Bayazwana no. After 6 years boy.
That every episode. What's in Black Coffee?
Ah no, bayazwana no. That's
Bayazwana.
Yeah, but I saw.
yeah, bebanga copyright ngithi maye ingoma leya.
What's
Stuff in every episode.
Keep your hands.
Oh no! Ah, shit.
Anyala. Mara ke sebayazwana bakrent. Bebadlala kwi-2. Yeah. Sebakrent. Baba.
Nisibona zonke lezi zinto.
Baba session isakhula sathi hey.
Thina busy. Asifani now. Ngithweni busy.
Ubusy
Thina
thina
busy.
No, like phela when I say socials I mean TikTok. TikTok yiyo manje.
Hayi TikTok mina.
I'm also on a TikTok
Yeah.
person. I'm a Twitter person. X.
Yena betwitha ndoda mawungena yo.
Shashalaza.
Ah.
Mara lapha shashalaza. Yini ngicabangani khona? Khona khona ne.
Uringa ngani?
Nepone by Twitter baba. Twitter is like Pornhub too.
Yeah.
Like it doesn't censor anything.
Doesn't.
That's it. Mara, you can always control feelings of like I don't know if I see this. What you don't wanna see this, I get something.
Yeah, not interested.
Mara ngisho kuma comment.
Yeah, sometimes you like my comments.
Sekusele uthi to post something othi uyangena ubona ukuthi abantu bathini uhlangana na something.
Excel phela uvela athi yo and siyibonile fresh.
Ndoda.
Comments.
Bye, screenshot.
Amara yabona uChris Ntanga leya angazi ngathi ngingaba ne partnership nayo sikwazi ukuthi indaba lezi uzithola anginike la.
Indaba ziyabulekisa.
Yo.
Tanga le ntona tanga.
Uyambona nti oh I thought I was the only one seeing this shit.
Oh yeah.
Bangifihle ngoba ngisabhemi
Akasathini.
Oh.
ya yabona manje ya
Sabhemini.
Like
Oh.
how?
okay I feel
How? Thoughts yeah.
sentela abantu bempem
Okay, I'm a BM star.
Mara, we're proud of you for stopping.
Mara toga.
wena kuwaka uyini wena right now
So the shit.
Either way, whatever you stopped, congratulations. Good on you.
lechufa ngisebhemi lechufa
What you chooping just now? The choof
I was tasting the syrup angithi sengathi syrup
Mamkhize bathi anyeke bamniki funding. Hey,
Mamkhize ubani? Ushona?
Mama Joyce.
Mama Joyce.
Oh yeah, shit.
Lo mfana mfana
Mara, did you hear ukuthi how much were they spending with?
Baba 70K.
700.
700, not 70.
Well,
roughly
No way.
per game
no, like
The
Magaphuma
tickets are
outside.
crazy, bro.
Angithi obviously kufanele bakhabe ama-ticket, transport, accommodation, food.
so bekazoya America lo manje ukusho ukuthi manje
And they were going to spend more than 700k. 18 vele wathi hayi akayi.
But my question is,
I'm
how did she
not
get to be that person?
Somehow
How
she's
did she
gonna
get to
be-
be?
She was always there.
How did she get to be that person?
She was always there.
I mean, of course, we all like, okay, we don't all like soccer, but there's people about to ball.
Ubese no shashala ngasingamniki mic yazi.
Simnika yini?
Ayikho.
Why don't you use your
Yeah,
phone?
use your phone. We'll just connect it.
Yeah, use your phone.
Record with your phone.
The whole time.
Yeah. Yeah, the whole
Why
time.
is the spaces guys?
Doesn't need space, Pasa. Doesn't need space.
Yeah. So,
Mama choice vela. Ngomfana vela.
Lahlekile vele.
Mara ya.
Totally off guard.
Mama Joy, yeah, I'm just standing in for Angelique-ish.
I think Mama, we're gonna shoot tomorrow.
Yeah, we're going to try
So
to have an
episode 21 and 22 are gonna come out Tuesday. I don't know how, Mara. Yeah, there's a plan.
Okay. So, when are you going to queue in there and so she can talk anytime?
Anytime. You can record
Anytime is
yeah.
tea time.
So
Yeah.
put it. Yeah, you can
But
talk.
then yeah, Mama
Who
Joy,
you say? Mama Joy?
700k. That's a
Oh
lot.
yeah, I was asking, how did she become that person? Because there's so many soccer fans out. How did she become that guy?
She was always there.
Yeah.
Ngemali yakhe.
Yazi uqale kanjani?
Oh, ngemali
No,
yakhe.
no, yazi uqale kanjani? The guy is number one supporter.
Oh, what are you using?
Yeah, I remember that. I remember that.
What are you using?
Don't let go of my one memory card.
Oh, Askis, my brother.
Yeah, okay.
In my mind.
Mama Joy, you know how it started. The guy is number one supporter in Orlando Pirates. She supported for years and years and years when they are some recognized Pirates. And
Oh, okay.
They are like traveler everywhere.
Courtesy of Pirates.
Yeah, I understand.
Oh, okay.
So, Baba Irabel is really was
Irabela, man.
Irabel like
Rebel.
like the team. Cheated on the team.
Yeah.
Oh,
Like the Kubula
yeah, Rebel, young Roach.
Yeah.
Yo,
Yeah, Kubula,
Irabela.
yes,
Ibisela
Irabela
Zulu.
in terms in football terms, let's say it's the Orlando Pirates and then when you have the Chiefs.
Oh,
Mara yenza ngale kasi kakhulu because uhamba uyodlala i-team and uzodlala i-team yakho.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
this is Irabela.
Okay.
So uyenze le nto leyo wahamba uyisupporta ubani uMamkhize.
really boy ibisa kaZulu. Ngikare ke outside. Yazi ngathi
Because Mamkhize
yazi ngathi uyiphi?
fast.
Ubiza legama leli ngesiZulu ngathi ile outside lahlekele igedlela leyo.
Irabela, kanti
It's a
njani?
rebel.
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 Libe.
A rebel. A rebel.
Rebel.
Yeah,
Oh.
man. Ubiza ngathi ile outside lahlekele igedlela ecaba.
Yena umdala.
Uyacaba le outside. Ngithi uyacaba la lahlekele igedlela. Umsuthu yebo. Hlala namaZulu.
Okay.
Ngifuna ukubatshela ukuthi lahlekele igedlela. Hey man doda kiri lahlekele ukuthi ngingedlela ngefuna. You sound like that ukuthi Irabela. Ufuna igedlela la.
So yeah, that's how it came about. And then manje, obviously from before azoya AM Royal.
Royal AM.
Royal AM. Before azoya lapha azoba supporter yala. She was already recognized as my supporter yeBafana Bafana as well. She was attending the games.
That's
So mama lo yenza imali nathi.
I think she grew to be entitled. I think so because now either way I don't know if there's a contract abayisayina with the number one fan.
But I feel like there's a budget for fans. Because every country, Mayidlala ku World Cup or any international game, there's always that one recognizable fan.
Fan, yeah. So uma evaluate McKinsey land.
18 tweeted with Mama Joy,
Askis.
there's no budget for you. Tell her in the France.
Unaenda to France.
the white guy.
The white guy.
Which one?
But that was
I don't know his name.
It was okay. I don't want to support. I don't want to deny. But at the same time, they were addressing a con. It was uncalled for. For Uti as a edited part, Uti want to play out here. That's just uncalled.
As we began.
But at the same time, 700k for one person.
Yeah.
Supporter. How
But
much
the
is that
games are
budget?
like expensive, bro. Because I saw like your front stands are like 200k rands.
For the penny ball. Bolu miste wanje.
Yeah, that's right.
Uzo retire uzombona futhi adlala. That's a lifetime thing.
Mina understand le thing ngisho mina ne. Bonke labantu labeni bayidolayizayo. Mina ngizoye eKastala. Yo,
Uzoye Barcelona. Uzoye Catalan.
life.
We have a boy.
See them on some.
Hey, I'm shooting the podcast.
Uthasha mina manje.
Nick, ngicela utshele ukuthi shooting the podcast.
Wangavela umphendulo umfeke on glass.
Oh shit.
Sekathi.
I mean, decline your colleague, I can call him again. Do you want me to call him again? Camera operator.
Oh, voice note is still there.
Yeah, man.
Why
Okay.
didn't be some voice notes?
Voice note.
Because
And I've been saying that in Bizango the voice.
The voice.
I've been saying.
Okay, the voice. Oh, and then Usim Zumbi saying how the voice last week come. Last time you were
yeah, the voice makes sense.
Yeah, the
because
voice,
does it?
But a voice note does make sense.
How?
We have
Yeah.
it's a voice note at the end. The whole time.
It's a linear message. There's no interaction.
But you got interaction because you're gonna say something and then I respond.
Yeah, voice note, interaction, yeah, but Okumule, she doesn't talk the whole time.
Okay.
That's why I'm never say voice note.
Mara then South Africa kanti yenza nini ingoma yethu ye-World Cup? Kanti si-World Cup.
Why didn't be
France yenza ingoma, Brazil made a song, Joe, Korea made a song, Japan made a song, dog. Like it's a thing now, Joe. It's marketing, it's tourism, it's good for our country, dog. And then they were saying, do you know the ngoma yaga Spazo? You don't know the
Spazo
song?
Arti?
Yeah, don't you know that song?
China,
On
that note,
But
Okay, yeah,
they wanted to like abantu, they are saying online they should make that song who they see on camera. Of which it's a nice song and it makes sense.
Yeah.
I see any call. Yeah. The way you put on
Ramzan's fit from stage.
I know I'm going to motivate.
I get survive to stage.
Suddenly Panama.
Mara, I
Hey, man, I don't know my father. But if you know to be
Yeah, you guys didn't put it.
Oh, wait. Tell Charlie, yeah, take us on. I want to before quarter months of hot.
come on with it.
Very much it up with the art who teaching Bish. Mamela, Umchakuda, Eleni Kamala Elite, CT214 boy. No, it's the keys.
Wesley Keys makes sense.
Nyakwazi,
Laba abanye bears one.
Nyakwazi, I don't know it. I'm telling you,
Wesley Jaya.
This guy claims his waist.
So, bang the voting machine shout out to me. Bang the voting machine shout out to me. So, shout out to my chance.
Shout out.
Ah, my even important. In Kamala in call. Yeah, in call. So, Impumile feed. Impumile checking out feed. I'm right.
I think it's going to be.
Maybe on those clips, maybe those clips you guys post.
Yeah.
Because you just post
In the background. Yeah, but anyway, but keep on a corner.
On WhatsApp.
Yeah, I don't know what's up. But it's a fan of YouTube, so I'm going to Umamele lengo mali sizikalisa lo background zonke. Hey. Ingoma iwani.
Hey. Tata, wangangicela ukuthi ngigay ingoma at least egrand yaka PC rene Suze.
Okay, fair. You can do that. Le phela ngiyenze ngihlele endlini ngibhorekile lapha.
Kunjuku, hey.
LSD.
I might be fake, but I'm sexy, bro. Cover the outside.
Hey, look at the camera. What's over? Paso no nega ngaka yini? Basona shapa fana.
Let's go.
I'm going to fun.
Abantu bayanona mfethu. Yeah, at least. Mara ngazodakiwe nje.
This is my first beer of the day.
Oh my god. Yeah, Mara, yeah.
Say what's up to the PTS blog.
Yeah, but yeah. I see him on a big derby. Like, oh, nice one for the shout out.
Yeah.
Mara, yeah. Fans were wanting to be a full team on my name.
I saw cat one thing. They one thing. Yeah, they were one thing.
But we know it's going to really like the song. Yeah, it's nice. It's a nice song. I'm advocating for it.
So there's a brew yesterday that said the skipper Sims anti-seed going out. It's green.
The green one.
Then I'm going to say themselves.
The retro key.
Let's see.
It's a retro key.
Yeah. I couldn't be out here.
I don't know if maybe concept kit.
The out here, the skipper Siap and the girlfriend that came to me.
That's about the shit. That's about the shit. When I'm
Oh, ile mnyama.
Support Madrid.
Isupporta Madrid. Indliwe yadrowa. In 1 week.
Angawini yo in the last 3 games.
Yeah.
Kusala.
Now what do you want?
I'm coming back. I'm Tada Barcelona. Raymond.
I mean, team in any side, you mean City.
Support Man City. Even in Chelsea, we see menu.
Ah, the team again, finally.
Yeah, it is.
The taste keep us up on a screen. It's not nice, yo.
It's not nice. It's more nice.
Hi man, let's keep us in this fantasy nice.
Oh, see noise. Mara for umsweng.
It's giving
Support Madrid.
For umsweng.
Support Madrid.
Mara for umsweng for uspo elokushini. Ayodlala. Sinekhola to.
But it's a retro kit.
Badlala ngaso.
Yeah.
Sinekhola.
They're already playing with it. It's a retro kit.
Manje da kanti siyadlala ibhola sonke sifuna makhola.
The retro kit has him. When La Liga was doing retro theme, that's game night. Ah! You guys don't know.
They talk Spanish.
Yeah. And there's a possibility to switch Tata before Real Madrid second league. So many was shining kind of form. Shining kind of
Solomon. Level can let you go.
Barcelona card of honor next week.
They talk Spanish.
La Liga. I think Jelen, what's the purpose of Ipela?
Ipela tala survive. As your mouth
What's the purpose of Ipela?
Ipela le survive phela ngathi mass extinction. Nayazi lento le. Amaphela survive mass extinction. Mass extinction.
Okay.
Njengoba khona ama dinosaurs baba ne Nama crocodile basho kanjalo ngithi according to science.
Okay, crocodile. I've heard something about it.
Nepela survive. And aya enzani aya aloka aya evolve. So ukuzofly amaphela. Ipela drr manje. La
Mina ngaboni phela le antini enhlobo. Tangana ngiyantshela ingathuka ngiwana lento le. Jo like
You swear man udula adina hani.
Dona.
That man. Take him to me.
But like the thing is galanga like what's the purpose of this shit?
Ipela vele lenzani.
Like people's lives.
Makashuphi umuntu yazi.
Ah,
sis.
Jo ke wana ukuthi phela livela lapho khona abantu.
Yeah.
Ekhaya wekho mara mina that's why.
Wa mara mina ake abakho.
Akhona.
Nalapha
No,
ekhaya khona ake abakho.
mama phela akhona in every household.
Yeah. So
No matter how invisible, yeah.
kuthawo. Itangele sitolezi.
I'm sure akhona. I'm sure there's like 3 or 4.
Ayazala isasala lento lezi. Kodliwe ne.
When you phela sala one.
Sondezi uzwakala. Yeah.
Ayike
Yeah,
household.
sibonga my brother yo.
Yo, today we are sober. It's a sober episode and it's what so must stand.
Nankoso.
Usiqosheleni jo ngoba sakho ngiyafona indawo yakho. Mara it's fine.
Mama mina nankoso. Since I'm from Izolo.
But you didn't drink namhlanje, leftover truncation.
Yeah, I'm say yeah, leftover truncation right now, Joe.
And shooting the episode there wasn't part of the delay.
Wait.
Lapha like it wasn't part of the rental deal.
How?
I need to use the space, but it wasn't part of the rental deal. It wasn't part of the space. See, now we're not in the space. So, what's us to should be a public space?
Yeah, well, no TV.
So,
That's mayor.
Ngicabanga baxoshisa vele.
guys,
Like
like Landa Olia has so much like
potential.
business potential.
Yes, oh my gosh.
But the thing is, the reason why Inga Tutu Landa, I'll be frank. Come on, Joe. Let me learn. I'll be frank about the thing. I think the problem must start because Joe, these people like they are too involved. They want to be too involved in everything that you do. You understand?
What's flag, ala?
I think so.
That's all that.
But yeah. But like, I feel like yabona le ndawo leya izochinja the day labantu laba ba-accept ukuthi umastan.
Yeah.
Whether labantu bathengisa
That's the thing.
bayenza in I'm just umastan.
Inkinga ukuthi uhlale eduzane nabo namakhulu. Wena if bengahlala
Yeah.
Ama-container afakwe wuye.
Yeah.
So mina manje ngafika ngifakiwe in the house uzongixosha. Rent.
Indawo yakamasipala
Indawo
le.
kamasipala mangafika ngithathe ngifakiwe in the house bazokhala.
Red tape kumanje wa.
Ngeswaka.
Okay, singasenza.
They think ukuthi maybe asikhombi yafona.
Awusingaphambisa sidabula kusungela le bithi.
Kana ifuthi ngasodonsa lapha epanini.
Hayibo.
Nakhona
Insora ni motel.
You can literally install a Wendy house laphayana kube free.
Aningizwana into tukisho.
The people heard you.
Yeah. And the people heard me. Yeah, so bele episode. Because we tukisho. Bear in mind ukuthi kukhula abantu abayithuthi mangisho kanjalo.
Moving on. Life is good, ne?
Awu. Qalile niyambona?
Yeah.
Ngiyabuka.
Digress.
Uzophakama ngihambe.
Digress.
My life is good.
Mina it's not right now. Asina home. Shana podcast doesn't have a home.
Awubona ukuthi iyaboneka le rim le
Ngeke le ndoda ihamba ngevitla siphuzi Amstel.
Who's upstairs? Yakhumbula ngathini
Friends of Amstel.
yakhumbula ngathini
For the youth.
upstairs is not for the youth baba.
It is.
For the youth. We are
Yeah,
reclaiming.
ama rapist le man.
Oh, that was a hard one.
yacaba ubhobile ukuthi
That was a hard one. No?
Okay, learn.
yacaba yazi ubhobile ukuthi uthathiwe ama-eyelashes.
Eh?
Like he tattooed ama-eyelashes. It doesn't make
Akusama ama-eyebrows. Yabo, niyambona. Oh, untwana
But it's a thing. Like, girls do it.
bathi into le.
It's called microblading.
Hayi wait.
There's a word for it, I think.
It is.
Ile yaka Warren Masemo.
Hey, it is yakhona.
Oh, and it's when it is.
No, I didn't say that. No.
Yini into le? Alopecia boy.
Yeah, alopecia boy. Alopecia, you need Versailles.
Ah, you gotta le alopecia boy.
A condition whereby
You don't grow hair.
you don't grow.
So akana mashishi.
But that's dope. Yo, I'm not going to but anything else.
Manje uthathiwe i-eyebrow.
Yeah.
Ndoda amantombazana yenza banawo ama-riding.
Bayawathrowa bona.
Yena uthathiwe.
Microblading.
Yeah,
Yena uthathiwe.
Awathrowanga.
microblading is tattooing. It's just a dear fade.
Nayo yenza riding then.
Nini. Laba sizoprice la. Mara laba ngathi bakwatile mabayenzile baye. Baba.
You must go to the right place.
Ay, umuntu oshaya ujacket seshaya le.
Umuntu akushayisa i-grocery 5000. Maqeda ukhala ubusy void.
Plastic.
Angekukwadi.
Mara wena from extend ufika lapha ukwatile. Moya phoza phoza.
Nganye asibasheni like my sister is but then I don't know what's going on. Makeup.
Bishop right siyaziyo in stock is fresh.
Makhona
Which shop right? Ngoba yasephumula ke last number ke. Ningahle. Last number. Kwe.
Bathi G-Sport yamajiki before skiing.
Yeah, ngizwile la idea.
Really, how do you go?
Whoa.
Like,
I'm going to
how
be
did
back
you get there?
Okay, wait.
I think I need to
I'm to ring. Are the first skin machida in G-Sport yamajiki for skin. Angisanayo for skin mfethu.
Exactly.
Bakuthathele.
G-Sport yamajiki.
Yo.
I think
I go with
I see G-Sport.
Aye.
So ngazi nami into ngiyaziyo le.
Let me in. What?
Sendulo.
Aye.
Aye. Hey, there's a study that and the thing that was released that's all lies.
Oh, it's lies.
They would teach
Ama nerve endings wonke ada enasini mfethu.
no, bathi la ile ngireke top. If wena uzofaka into engamela ngingene lapha uzozimosha. Uzohlala lapha yana green light. Akuna yellow, akuna red. So green. Yazama.
Uthini ngani sesibuye
Is good. Mara yazi mara let me land. I think le ntama G-Sport.
bathi khopha bathi abatha jona.
I need to know if for skin yayivala le nto leya. Mayivala le that thing ikop iba sensitive. You understand? So njengoba bayikhatha riding iya warm. Like I sabi like manzi. Akhuluma ish. Bakuba le for skin.
Yeah,
No, khona ungakhohlwa ukuthi khona abantu ababasekimsize basasesibhedlela basesebancane.
Oh, okay,
You understand?
yeah.
They don't know.
Yeah, ngingafika. How many years old man? Yeah. Mara that means I'm okay kahle ma.
Ata uyawageza mara yabuya. Wabuya.
Mara every day you have to make sure ukuthi Eshindanga yabona manje. Ngicela ukuba ne15 awube kancane.
So phepanga ifusi.
Oh yo.
Efilm wona usitshele tanga isex ye skin injani.
Yo.
Yes.
Wabiza ngegama.
Yo, ikulanda live. Yo.
Ayadala jam. Mana even noma nala ayenikhuluma ukuthi njani.
La mina ngiyazi.
Izolo besihleli la siphuza yabona angazi sibekadakiwe ne this Bruce said the master beds asha come in continue
Akumaster Uba lo esifani.
Ngidlabe.
Come in kuthini ngendaba.
Uyini? Ile ndlabe embiza.
Yeah, ile embiza besikhuluma ngayo. Amakale embiza kuthi come in continue ukhami lapha phela.
Hey marathon, that's insane.
Uzimbiza kanti
this
wenzani?
guy said
Well,
yeah, he
oh,
doesn't feel guilty after doing it.
Akana kids.
Yeah, I would say like he does it like
Oh, he's killing a lot of kids.
Yeah. Oh, mara wait.
It's just another day and
Just
I
another day and I spend. Ethande qhubeka yo.
ndoda kanjani
Nto ecaba le kids obana.
I was njaya ukuthi whoever you are so addicted. There's no coming back.
Yeah, there's no coming back.
There's no coming back, dog.
Anyway, it doesn't come back then.
In.
Come. I need to. Shui, no, get yo, aviator.
I'm a flight.
That was an aviator pop, boy.
I'm a flight.
Yo, no, get and what you there? That's the what you there? I had to say come. Ah, okay, to free. Yo, flew away.
Peru musakawula uthe
Wait, Joe, what's crazy? There was
ngale ama full skin ukuthi umntwana ushaye kame ukuthi
oh, that's the crest. Yeah, that's a choice. It's a choice. Yeah, that's a choice.
ayi tanga
Bunga.
think yes
your choice
26
Choice the blue one, Dada.
Choice.
Ah, we're still young, man.
No, my choice is by discontinuing.
If discontinued, or rebranded.
Yeah.
After Tabo, I think.
After Tabo.
Yeah, after Tabo Mbeki.
Mr. Second, about 2012. I know because
2016 being a choice.
ah, this
so when we
is
Spanish
Fact check, a voice note.
yeah,
You know what?
check.
Oh, what are you looking for?
With the choice, too many. When was it discontinued? When was it rebranded?
Yeah, man.
Where yes, the choice.
bayifika la
Let's
ngathi
do-
we reference
Okay, Spanish. Ngibuza lo, that's what I'm asking. Can I Spanish na?
Okay, why was the question?
Ngifila ngathi ngimdala ngoba ngeke ngayisebenzisi.
thatha awakamalungu
They were rebranded. It was rebranded around 2015, 2016.
Yeah, ngeke
After
ngayisebenzisi.
Tabo Mbeki.
After Thabo Mbeki. Thabo Mbeki uthobile mina.
It was launched in 2004, if you guys want to know.
Yeah.
The choice you have been instructions. You have been instructions, strategic plan. Even the instructions. Kuchi ifaka kanje baba. Mone ko. I understand. I'm a choice on a bit. Ngento ngephepha nyane lexplainayo ukuthi wenze njani. Think you
research yakhona
yeah.
Voice note nambulala.
Benga na application.
Hayi choice nta bengabi try. Yabona manikhuluma la. Ngiyazwakala ungakhohlwa ukuthi mic is on. So manikhuluma la ngiyazwakala.
You said my name.
What's the joy now? What's the joy? It's not
Oh, we're three people.
Next time.
sizwile bathe ngala
Really, you said my name, nigga.
What did I say now?
My name.
Ah, so cancel so tweet.
Don't say my name.
Oh, the
Don't
voice.
say my name.
Their voice note wechula magama esebenza.
Oh, okay. Umusa Kaula.
Utheni manje?
Keep a list of men that are going to hell. Do you wanna hear it?
And my name is there.
Kama lami likhona.
Taban is always there on my list.
Talk about the famous people.
Oh.
Number 1, Kabelo Mabalan.
Yini le?
Kuba wenza ndio.
Isn't he a pastor no?
That is going to hell.
And he's a pastor now.
Yini le?
Kabelo Mabalan.
Kilipanzula for life. Oh.
Why? Ngiyasazi story sakhe. Because obviously wonke umuntu abamfake lapha.
Akaza molest. Akaza molest something like that.
But he's a pastor now.
Allegedly ngiyabuza.
He's a pastor.
He pastor. That's why he's going to hell.
Yo, from rapper.
From Kilipanzula for life. Uqamba manga. First things first.
If my brother,
Uqamba manga.
if you get to heaven and you don't find me there,
Yeah, it's not heaven.
just know you went to hell.
Wait, you personally.
Anita be like, don't live on the internet.
Yeah,
But second name DJ Spoo Zahara.
Yeah, Zahara.
TK Mwiza.
Bambulele vele. Naye Zahara.
Zahara.
Bambulele ngithi.
Cypher.
Bambuza savana mntana abantu laba ntanga. Yazi siyadlula kule nto.
Dokuba uthi
Babuza Uzahara bambulela. Ntwana allegedly. Mamela untwana Zahara
you know
besastaba.
ukuthi bathi allegedly kanye kusave ne.
Akunandaba. So banika mic. Ngisuwenza ukunika mic mfethu. Anginamali manje.
When this thing is not tied to my
Do people use suing as a publicist stand?
Yeah, these days so ngisuwenza ukunika mic akunankinga. Khona le umathatha umsalele.
Please ngabe round me iPhone I think i-mic yakho is strong.
Ngithi umathatha umsendele esinye streamayo on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok ne. TikTok, ngisendele ku TikTok. Yeah, le ntona lena ithi podcasters don't talk about me. Wari ngikusuwa. One Kamala ntona le. Is he even famous, that guy?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, he's a streamer.
He's a stream.
Leto na Sepitori man, le. Yeah, le.
Oh, let's
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a podcast amawari ngayo ususu.
so sweaty.
Yeah, mina ngimniki mic anginamali.
Why am I funa ama podcast apho?
Mhlambe
Black Coffee. Why Black Coffee?
No.
Mara go to hell ngoba ubifa noze so
Lekofuza kwehelo ngoba divorce umfazi omuhle.
He's going to hell because of divorce.
Yeah, divorce. Utshona nithuke?
2003.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's okay.
That's the goal.
That's the goal, ne? Unanga kuna 50 kumuntu.
What's that? Wait.
I mean, Nama wanna be that guy.
What?
Shanga Masnopani is not about my tail.
Not 26.
Knee hair, white hair.
Or 2000.
What?
36.
Let's wait.
What's the right?
Those are the Maliam.
What's the right
Age range.
age gap between?
5 years.
Personally, anything above 4 years for me.
It's too
Even
much.
5 years.
Yeah, 5 years is a lot.
Yeah.
5 years is a lot.
Yeah.
So funa umuntu o
Almost the same
And
age. Phase 1, 2, 3, yeah.
Yeah.
nizofundisana
Sifundisa sex.
intanga yakho.
Sex.
Let's put this on.
But the thing is, tongue girl, you know, they mature fast, dog. Like, who can dog?
That's a lie, dog. Yeah, physical, not mental.
Mentally, yeah.
Physical.
Mental.
No, physically, not mentally.
See, people only say that.
Funny,
People only say that so that they have the right to abuse
To
women.
abuse women, yeah, I think.
Yes.
Lento le ukuthi they mature faster what it's
Yes.
just because bafuna
Like, abuser and to
ufuna
be able
2K umdala ucabanga una 37 ufuna 2K.
How so?
come on.
Ngiyazibuza na, mara
Uniwa kawan.
Another yeah, another.
make you work out.
No, Matthew Booth, what is the thing? The cheesecake.
Ivali out. Ivali out. Is it still alive?
Is Matthew still, yeah.
Matthew.
Still rolling.
Super sport.
Oh, is it what?
I think it was because he cheated on his wife.
Oh, he cheated on his wife.
Yeah, there's all
Cheated.
discussion.
Yeah.
Uchithi ubuthi.
Yeah.
Good dog.
Ayibhuthi vele yambona le choko yakhe le.
Iyacaba le ye-cheesecake le. Mayiqeda it. Uzayibona send it to you. But I didn't say.
Sele igama.
Mara after mafuka
Beating that girl. What was his girlfriend? Yeah, that girl.
Ata iboxer.
my nigga is
Ata beka yenza music kanti. Ata bekangayenzi music na.
He's a woman.
Unju ata washaya ipiko.
Ah, uthekile. Oscar Pistorius ukhona la. Makangekho. Ah, wrong. Kwabuye umfazi wakhe lo muntu.
Ufakwe Katie, let me just read through fast.
Hayi no, it's not
We want to talk about
Yeah,
it.
we wanna talk about the scandal.
Okay, let's go. DJ Euphonic.
I don't know.
Uthe nonke angithi.
Oh no!
Yeah.
That's crazy, yo! That's great.
Nonke.
Matata was shooter to the sky.
Yeah, where's that?
Never went down, dog.
Oh yeah.
After
Want to shoot to the sky sengicabanga lento ngisikhuluma ngayo ngisikhuluma ngendlwabe la. Ayizayini igaba.
Ubani, son of Sonia Mbele, Donel Sebile.
Abuse naye, he's a women beater.
Cherry last year. Yeah, last year.
Yeah.
It was last year.
Last year.
Abachita ya GPV.
GBV. Mina ngizi ngoma GBV.
But what do you do in a situation where if a girl drives you to do it? Because I mean, there's
Step
girls
away.
that believe
Step
that
away.
might turn a militia.
Step away.
Dog, it's a woman's world, dog. Like
Step away.
You risk
Step away.
you risk losing a lot than yes.
So if let's say you're with your person, then
Step away.
shy, strong.
Step
Ah,
away.
dog, yangibuyisela self-defense.
So
Ushayile, uyangishaya impama ngiyakuphuza ungangishaya
Honestly.
Shangi komisha ikhanda.
And
Step away.
okay, mara ngiyadlala
Ngiyabona.
I'd never put my hands on a woman, but chaya game. Kuthi ngiphushe nje ukuthi shift. Hey.
And then step away.
Like
Mara step away.
like nginamandla, I can literally like hurt you, you understand? Yeah, I think just because I'm
Nambona ukuthi kuyenza. Ine experience le out
I'm not a fighter.
Yeah, experience. Shayenza lelinye igama. Asidlule kwesPV.
SPV?
DJ Fresh.
TJ Fresh.
DJ Fresh every moment yanyoba ngithi.
Oh, he's a molester. Shame.
Yeah. Aniyazi into leyo. Drake.
Angelique.
Aya mfaka on blast naye.
Hi Angelique, you're live on the podcast. Hello. Yebo. It password. Wait. What do you Nifungenza? Nifuna uyiconnecta? No, mina lento le ngiconnecta nge-laptop and i-laptop ikimi. So it's still shooting. I think shoot they will come that side.
Siyeza manje we understand.
Kwamanje ngingadlala nge-USB or
Yeah, bafaka USB.
Yeah?
What's going on?
Iyuzani into like that thing le
M, bafaka USB MP.
No, but bafuna ukuza i-phone. Into via
Oh,
i-aux yeah.
ngilandini.
Okay, ngingayuza i-Bluetooth. There's the option ye-Bluetooth lapha. Pressa lapha until lento icela upanya-panyaza.
Yeah.
Ikhathi
Yeah,
fanele ipanya-panyaza.
Press lapha le Bluetooth khona nje ipanya-panyaza.
Presse ni-finger. Finger it. And we are live on the podcast, ne? I did say. Ngibheke mic manje yazwakala.
No, radio ngiyakhuluma lapho. Konje bani ukhala black nayo. Awumuzwa la background. Shashala sayo.
Okay, sharp. Yeah, sharp.
Akhala black.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, oh.
It's a rap.
No.
We don't know about DJ Fresh. DJ Fresh.
DJ Fresh.
Oh, molest.
Legit. Yeah, I'm not even.
Khuluma ngalo into leyo
But
ngathi.
DJ Fresh nyoba.
Yeah, DJ Fresh.
To feel like you hit this guy.
Ah, batsho
Yeah,
every
okay.
moment.
Silo.
Manje sikhuluma ngaso yanyoba.
Silo.
Makhe kancane.
No, I don't even know.
Silo sibutsani. Akusile ngathi yahlala these days. Le beshade no Makunutu. Umbulu Makunutu.
Iplay nokwenza ingoma le.
Yeah.
Yenzeni?
Angithi ushayile.
Nah, guitars, yeah.
Animazi uye usilo if uyi. I'm right. Ungishayile bathi.
Oh, usilo le ngathi isibathi. Oh, ngiyabona le. Yeah,
Beshade no Makunutu. Ngikhumbula Makunutu.
Yeah, ngiyakhumbula. Oh, yeah. There's a story vele ukuthi
Ushayile or something like that. Yeah. Mandla M le stop la. Stop la. Black Productions ne? Yeah. I don't know what it is. Wenzeni?
Sure,
You know, when they...
He's a producer.
Yeah, what did he? Yeah, but what is he on the list for?
Bamsuile dog. For sponsor ngoma le kabuhle.
Or she used Ingoma Gabuhle without her permission.
Yeah.
He used Ingoma Gabuhle without.
How?
Yeah, Black Dog. Black Dog.
Oh yeah, Black Dog.
Yeah, mama let me like.
My context context right now is angithi le list lesifuna la. Bathi lo muntu angeke ayezulwini.
Yeah.
So uyenzeni wrong?
Maybe the,
Yeah,
Bamsuile dog.
yeah.
What's for that?
So like
Oh.
he chopped Ubuhle.
Okay.
So okay, which means it was bad.
How me plan uJapoli?
Ubani Tingani Mukebe Khumalo.
iPhone boy.
Tingani Mukebe Khumalo.
James Muvango, that guy.
Oh, Tingani.
When they...
Utingani? Athi GBV naye.
When's it?
Ngibona nale mpahla liyashayana leyo.
That's the cheese.
Liyibona iyashayana leyo.
That's the cheese
That's the cheese cop lezi hayi. Nayenye lapha. Ala GBV.
Yeah, GBV and LSD.
But me,
Lezi cheese cop lezi. Lezi cheese cop lezi. Hey, nangomunye uthulile lapha ezisini. Nangomunye, mele sibuze omunye usizi.
I'm the sweetest person.
Mele sibuze omunye usizi.
hayi akangisali bekazongitshela ifike GPV.
Yeah,
Uyakusaba.
yabona mangithi
Ngifike fast kabi yo.
So mangifika endlini mom.
na ngithe mangithi leza the cheese cop no.
Yes, abathi mahleka kakhulu.
Mara yenzeni le out. What did Tingani do?
Honestly, I don't know.
The pots, they come le. I did make the pots not to be done. Angiyani.
Yeah, look,
Kuyi episode yakhe, yeah, episode yakhe. Yeah, uyu mntwana loyo.
Speak
Out,
out.
yeah. Where the pots?
And then okay, sonke lo siyamazi. Job namasita amaningi
Abuya labantu abayi12 lapha ematrans, apha matrans.
okay.
Hayi, uyangina. Aqedile makaphuma ejele uyaphuma ngama camera uyafuna ukusibamba sibiza into zethu. Wenzani?
Wena wawenza.
Hayi bafethu.
Why wenza lezi?
Entanga. Kumele thini ejele.
Kumele wathi thina.
Oh, niyazikhipha nini? Niyazikhipha.
Black men don't
Black men don't cheat. Mina vela ngithi ngijisela mina ngiyiwani. Lalela. Kakhalikene boy.
The
Yeah.
last two uKatlego Maboy noMduduzi Manana.
Katlego
For
boy.
cheating.
Katlego maboy ke mang?
Ile
Express. We have express.
ile esekisi.
Oh, le snobish le.
Yeah.
He was going.
Uthile notile. Insurance, why ngathi insurance?
Manje yiyo beyigula yafakela ugeli.
Crazy how
Yeah.
you're associated with such brands and people don't know you as a person.
Simazi ngegama lakhe lo. Simazi insurance lo.
Outshore.
Insurance.
Espresso.
Express.
Top billion.
Khona le yamanje le. Kilo notile. Udalo, ya udalo. Cabanga after GPV. Oh, gonorrhea.
Okay, Mara, I'm not sure
Gonorrhea.
because she didn't specify.
I think it was gonorrhea.
That's so sad.
Asas.
Gonorrhea elapheka. I'll check it.
What else?
Gonorrhea elapheka.
Never trust again that says the last thing I wanna do is hurt you.
Still on
The
the
hurting
list.
is still on the list. It's just the last thing. Moving on.
It might be the first thing she did.
Mina, wait. Food
So
for
much
thought.
to say we
Yeah.
say
Food for thought. Starting pants. Starting pants. Icheka kwa maize okubhaca ucheat. Ne?
Ini?
Icheka.
Yeah.
Maize okubhaca ucheat. Le effort le ayifakile ukuze ukuthi akubhace mfethu. Kusho ukuthi vele bekafuna ukuthola ucheat vele.
I think with Mtana, some girls are hard for.
Bake bakuphatha ucheater.
Yeah. Ungiphatha kanjani? Oh, chat. Ungilande eguest house-ini mfethu.
Ha, ndoda bakulanda
Effort engaka mfethu. Ene bengashekanga location uthole kanjani? So kusho ukuthi vele bekalwacaba le yangichithela le.
Okay,
Walibheka iplane no girl.
Hayi.
Anyway,
Why
stuff.
do
If gonorrhea does have a cure, so
Oh, in a
that,
cure.
that doesn't mean go get some. In a cure, but
Inama khona
bayakuhlaba ba injection.
How did you
Yeah,
get
antibiotics.
gonorrhea.
Antibiotics.
Sexually transmitted.
ngicela manifuna ukukhuluma ne-voice note
Yani
uthathe
ukuvoice
ifoni yakho
note.
because
Thatha
imic
ifoni.
le
Imic ayikho namhlanje guys.
because manje asizwa la
Ashwala zakala
Our
imna.
voices are loud
Never been
enough.
caught.
nangicheat.
Abakazi babhaca
Never
ucheat.
been caught.
Like
What do you mean I don't
ekuqaleni.
cheat at all?
Previous relationships.
Oh, previous. Nah, benishima. Benishima.
Kanjani lo
Ngisaba
kuphuta
okay.
ku Solomon?
Yini ndoda?
Feel what?
Solomon. bakhe bakuphatha wena
ubani angazi ngaphatha
vele uzophila
ngiyachitha vele
yeah
vele mara bana prove
Proof ayikho. Proof ayikho.
they know this angichitha bafazi I learn from the best
Nazo.
oh my god
Mara le effort le yayiza lento engishoyo mfana. No, imali yami. Ngathi mamela ngicela imali yami ngihamba ngayobhuka. Fair from la uhlala khona.
yeah
Mara you still find me. Effort engaka mfethu. Bufunani engaka uzothi
maybe
ungithola.
baplanile
Abacavana abantu laba yakho.
you never know
Hayi background check.
samwitsolile
Mangichitha hayi man.
bathi chomi
Mawuchitha phela i-effort yokuqala ileyo yenza sho ukuthi lo muntu uthisa nayo
asilahle
amazi.
soyithi umarambo umuzwa kokugcina
At the end of the day, at least konke ngizwini.
yeah
moving on
Ah.
sibahle sibaningi
Nasi ngizoyiplipa phela. Kuluma phela. Fa, ngizofaka le fa.
hey bring the voice here mic
Who am I giving it to?
the voice I wanted to ask
Oh.
Ikuye masimen.
are you
What happened?
Maradian, are you on TikTok
I'm not on TikTok.
or Instagram? Do you save things like bookmark them?
Yeah, I do a lot.
A lot.
Yo.
So if ngathatha phone yakho check bookmark, like would you let your boyfriend watch your bookmarks?
Yeah.
There's nothing incriminating.
No.
You know what I've discovered? Some girls, there's some things that are like incriminating that are bookmark.
Kanja.
You know, like girls, they don't mind save her into zoti. This is how you keep a man. Or this is what you do to keep a man. Or
When it's
do this,
up
do this, so that you don't get pregnant.
That's up.
Yeah, you can comment. Now, young support.
It's also a situation of if maybe the hand posts something like
yeah.
if the hand posts something like cheated on my man and what be like I was here but I can't repost bookmark.
I was here.
Yeah, but I can't comment because my man could see my comment.
Unibone kwe.
ayikho into ezoyifundisa le
Bona kakhuluma nokhuluma usibayile kuphela lapho. Uyazi simeleleni.
No, but that's true.
Maka nakhona vele mina
njengokusuka malapho
ngicela nisishiyene etikini ngezibhasi namhlanje le. Ya ngevene akunankinga siyacela nathi. Cela nisishiyene ngayivene.
Hilux.
Hilux.
G6.
Hilux V200.
Yeah, man, crazy. That's it from my pet. That's it.
Kono munye kodwa pussy prep namhlanje.
have you ever gone through your hands to devices like le list le bonisa ukuthi kwa
Amafoni amanje ngithi awasayivezi. Nithenga amafoni amasha.
ayishiya vezi ayisho mala i-Bluetooth yakho uke wa connect ku something ya connect automatically check.
How to more connect like save button head.
Yes.
Devices there
Kuza ngayo le. Fona kayiphe. Yeah, perish. I pay ya pay.
Oh no. Okay.
Bra.
Oh no, you Wi-Fi mavi. No, Wi-Fi.
This guy.
I'm a pet Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
When I was ubamba we.
Ah, mavili ntanga. Vela mavili uliphela.
Why veli papa's guest house now?
Ah, ntwana, papa's guest house.
No, Wi-Fi. Papa's guest house
Yini manje
Wi-Fi.
lawa I set up.
Ane vele marutwa kayo.
uhambe wonke lama guest house musweni
Oh, natama okay, wait. Yinto wrong ngama guest house.
wenza
Maybe
Wenzani?
ngifakini ngibone kini
Hayi, anginantombi mina mase.
so uyacheat
Ngiyacheata. Cheat la
ya
wena.
freelancer
Yeah, I'm freelance. I'm a piece job boy.
Yo.
ayingakhi
Oh,
correct
ke ngwana motho a ita sheba to.
No, I want to end this podcast. Guys, like there's a lot that we need to do today. Nzobona BTS.
BTS, yes, yeah. BTS 2. Hashtag
Catch
2.
us. I need to catch us live because it's on Tuesday.
BTS yileli ngama.
Catch us live on Tuesday.
Behind the scenes.
It's going to drop Tuesday, but today it's a Saturday. Siga Sway, is it Sway?
Yeah, Sway Street. No, Color Black.
It's Color Black's event.
Yeah. Puso.
Long
Long time no see mfana. Hey, yambona.
Nalasa nina lapha emuva.
Solomon best friend yakho ne?
Guys, uniki ithi ngimbeke on blast fast before icede le episode ne. Uniki akasezi kuma into yaziphuza. Akasezi.
Mara
Into
I want to
Come back.
dog like ngizosayisa up.
Letha ndivele emakemereni.
Uyakandubheka ne.
Emina episode 16 19.
Yeah, but I wanted to 16 it was that
Oh, it's a art show, really. Art show. Never been done before. In the art show. It's an art show. I don't think it's ever been done in
it's an art show. It's really dope.
Wait. Oh, yeah, okay. But this one is different.
Yeah, lele yasebram lele.
Yeah, important. Yeah, lapha ubonile khona umshini ngaphandle.
Yeah.
That's where Angelica is at.
Yeah,
she
right
has
now.
to tune some things.
Wethi ngathi fit yakhe la egcoka manje.
Oh yeah, you too.
Yeah.
But then we should have.
Bekasafaka le makeup, angithi yazi la makeup amase khona ama 9 layers. Bese maqedile ubusathathe baba.
But yeah, anyway, to everyone that's here, thank you for pulling up, gents. This
Makani
was
yabona
nice.
ngasizi ngokunika.
It's nice.
Isn't the store.
Yes,
Yes.
Papela.
Babona wena you understood the assignment. Isn't the store.
Nice.
Ngizona shirwa.
There's a different
Difference.
There's a
Wait.
There's a difference between Stogo and the chair.
Store is store.
Never.
Moving
Uzoshama
on.
push up.
Moving on. You'll see which event. You'll see. Catch the
Yeah,
event
on
on
the
our
BTS.
BTS.
Yeah, #2.
Hashtag like at work.
Color black.
From
Color Black Artworks.
That's in Thailand.
Amaphuzu cabanga uzoba njani masiphuza.
But
In.
Black ngobuso.
from me, Popeye,
Spinach bafethu. 2 ways. Yeah. Awuzintroduce ngawari izovela la 2 ways.
and our team.
In our team. Nangu uhlathile thi
Tell us.
Yeah,
1, 2,
repeat,
3.
my brother.
Come on,
Shut up.
Chila nami episode 21. It's a wrap, baby.
Stuff. Send guys my shots ilona yamanje.